exactly who you think I am. I live every day with pain that I myself don't even understand. I dread tomorrow, the sorrow's all too real, and sometimes I find it hard to feel, so I drink away my woes, so you'll never know that when I'm smiling I'm lying, 'cause I'm not fine. I'm a little scared. My head is hurting from crying all the time, and I need a friend like you. Sometimes it's hard to admit I'm not the person I know I could have been. I live every day with regrets, but I'd do it all the same if I could again. I'd take the same road, the same way that led me here, 'cause I love all my friends, and that's sincere. We drink away our woes, so you'll never know that when we're smiling we're lying, 'cause we're not fine. We're a little scared, and our heads are hurting from crying all the time. I raise a drink, my friends, to you. Smiling, I'm lying, 'cause I'm not fine. I'm a little scared. My head is hurting from crying all the time. Raise a drink, my friend.